Hi friends, from the Circle Theorem, I give a small math for you. Try to solve it. Mm, Listen, there is a circle, that is a triangle. It is given OAB is equal to 40 degree and OCB is equal to 30 degree. Find out the angle of AOC. This angle you should find out. This angle. So for that reason what I am doing first, you first join OB. Then it's make a triangle. Now you take BAO triangle. Triangle name BAO. In this triangle, AO equal to OB because these two are radius. If these two are radius, means two angles are same. If it is 40 degree, if A angle is 40 degree, then must B angle, it's not full B angle, it's BAO angle. It's BAO angle, it must be 40 degree because it's an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, so it is 40 degree. Then come to this point. I know what's happened here in the triangle, the three sides, the three angles are always 180 degree. This is 40, this is 40, and this must be 180 minus 40 plus 40 means 100 degree. 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. This comes 100 degree. Now I write 100 degree. On the same way, if it is 30 degree means OC equal to OB, same radius. So this is isosceles triangle. So it is 30 degree means this is also 30 degree. So the same way I can write in the BOC triangle, all the three angles if you add, it is 180 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree means this is 30 and this is 30 means you can minus it, and what is the result of this one? This one is also 120 degree. Now check. It's make a circle, and circle, the value of a circle is 360 degree. So 360 degree. I know only that part. It is 100 degree plus 120 degree means 360 degree minus 220 degree means 140 degree. So what is our angle? AOC. So AOC is equal to 140 degree. Clear? One more time, last part I discussed. This is the AOC and this is upper angle, outer part angle. This is 100 degree and 120. It's make a circle. Instead, let's make a circle. Circle means 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 100 degree plus 120 degree, it means 220 degree, and 360 degree minus 220, 140 degree. So only this part is 140 degree. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.